Hello all, in this video we will discuss the SO of IEO question paper for the year 2025-26 for class 2. This examination was held on 11 November 2025 and the set of the question paper is set B. Let's move on to the question paper. So this is the first page of the question paper, the English Olympiad question paper for class 2 for the year 2025-26. The set is set B. The question paper consists of 4 sections. The first section is word and structure knowledge, which has 15 questions and each question carry 1 mark each. Next section is a reading section which has 10 questions and each questions carry 1 mark each. And the next section is the third section, spoken and written expression, which has 5 questions and each questions carry 1 mark each. The last section is the achievers section, which has 5 questions and each question in this achievers section carries 2 marks each, and all the questions are compulsory and there is no negative marking, and always your answers must be marked in the OMR sheet using a pencil or blue or black ballpoint pen only. So let's move on to the questions. So the first section, word and structure knowledge. For questions 1 and 2, choose the option with correct spelling. So question number 1, go through the options and find out the word which gives the correct spelling. So the correct spelling is cooperation. Option C, C-O-O-P-E-R-A-T-I-O-N. So let's move on to the second question. We have to choose the option with the correct spelling. So the correct spelling is T-R-E-M-B-L-E, tremble. Yeah, so answer is option A, which says tremble. Question number 3, choose the correct synonym of peak. Option A, valley, B, base, C, summit, D, fall. You have to choose the correct synonym of the word peak. So first we should know what is the meaning of word peak. So peak means reaching at the highest point. Okay. So the synonym of peak is summit, which means the highest point of a hill or a mountain. Okay. So the correct synonym of peak is summit among the other options. So summit is the answer. Question number 4. Choose the correct antonym of word somber. A, light, B, shadowy, C, dusk, D, gloomy. So we have to choose the correct antonym of the word somber. So what is the meaning of the word somber? Somber means serious or sad or very gloomy. Okay, it mostly describes a mood, the atmosphere or any facial expressions. Okay, like somber expression, somber mood. Yeah, so the correct antonym of somber among the option is light. Okay, because somber always refers to a very dark tones, right? Like very gloomy, shadowy, dusky. Yeah, so the opposite is light. Answer A. For question 5 and 6, choose the correct answer. Question number 5. Which of the following is not a collective noun? A, colony, B, gang, C, choir, D, finch. So we have to choose an option which does not specify or which is not a collective noun. So what is a collective noun? Collective noun is nothing but it refers to a group of people, animals or things. Okay. So now among the option which is not a collective noun, option A, colony, B, gang and C, choir refers to a group or a team, right? Colony, colony of ants, gang of people, right? So option D, which says finch, is a type of bird. So it is not a collective noun. Answer D. Question number 6. What is the young one of an alligator called? A. Larva, B. Infant, C. Hatchling, and D. Cub. Young one of an alligator called. The young one of an alligator is called hatchling. Answer option C. For question 7 and 8, choose the correct option for the underlined word. Question 7, make a list of your requirements. The underlined word is requirements. So now you have to choose the correct option from the following: A. Verb, B. Adjective, C. Conjunction, D. Noun. So which is the option? Correct option for the word, underlined word, requirements. So the word requirements, it's not a verb because the verb form should be require. It's not a conjunction because it does not connect words or phrases or clauses. And it's not an adjective because the adjective form can be some required or requisite. Okay. So the word requirements is a noun. Answer D. Question 8. There was a snake hidden among the bushes. The underlined word is among. A. Noun. B. Verb. C. Preposition. D. Conjunction. So which is the correct option? The word among shows the position, right? So hence it is answer is option C, which says prepositions. Okay, it's used to show that something is placed somewhere indicating the position. Hence answer is option C. For questions 9 and 10, choose the part of the sentence that has an error. 9. Sheena decided to take a peek at the costume. Option A, Sheena decided. B, to take a. C, peek at. D, the costume. So which part of the sentence that has an error? The part of the sentence which has an error is peek at. So what is the meaning of peek? Peek means at the top or at the end. Yeah. So which doesn't make any sense in this sentence. Answer is option C, peek at. Next question, question 10. An old tree has fallen down due to the strong wind. We have to choose the part of the sentence that has an error. A says an old tree has, B says fallen down due, C to the strong wind, and D says no error. So what is is there any error in the sentence, or there is no error? An old tree has fallen down due to the strong wind. There is no error in the sentence, hence answer is option D. For questions 11 to 15, choose the correct option to fill in the blank. Question 11. They dash for a walk in the park every evening. A. Going, B. Went, C. Go, D. Goes. You can see a picture there. Yeah, well, that would help you to answer the question or which is related to the question. Okay, so fill in the blank with the correct option for question number 11. So they go for a walk in the park every evening. The correct option is option C, which says go. Question 12. I need dash urgent leave to visit my ailing grandmother. Option A, B, and C, the, and D says no article. You have to choose the correct option to fill in the blank. I need an urgent leave to visit my ailing grandmother. Answer is option B. Question 13. I had the honor of standing dash the army chief. A. Above, B. Besides, C. Beside, D. Among. You have to choose the correct option. I had the honor of standing dash the army chief. So So here the correct word to fill in the blank is beside. And you should understand why not besides, because beside means next to. Okay, means next to or at the side of. Okay, so this makes sense in context of standing physically next to a high ranking official. Okay, so when you put besides, it means in addition to or apart from. Okay, so which will not fit the sentence. So answer is option C, beside. Question 14. Rashi scored well. Dash. She worked hard for the exam. A. So. B. But. C. And. D. Because. You have to choose the correct option to fill in the blank. Rashi scored well because she worked hard for the exam. Answer D. Question 15. Dash. Will you finish your test? A. What? B. Which? C. When? D. Whose? You have to choose the correct option to fill in the blank. So answer is option C, which says when will you finish your test? Answer C. The next section, the question paper is reading section. For question 16 to 20, look at the picture and choose the correct answer. So you can see the picture, yeah, with trees, with it's a rainy day, with bushes, there were kids, yeah, few are running, one is holding the umbrella, yeah, the name of the kids are also been given in the picture. So by seeing this picture or looking at the picture, we have to choose the correct answer in the questions from 16 to 20. Question number 16. Only Maya dash an umbrella. A have, B is, C was, D has. So which is the correct option? Only Maya has an umbrella. Answer D. Next question, question number 17. Jatin is dash Maya. A below, B before, C behind, D besides. So look at the picture and understand the position of Jatin. Okay. So what's the answer? Jatin is behind Maya. Answer C. Question 18. There are dash trees in the picture. A4, B5, C3, D7. Okay. So you have to look at the picture. Yeah. There are 5 trees in the picture. 1, 2, 3, 4 and the fifth one is next to Jatin. Okay. So 5. Answer is B. Question 19. Some kids are dash in the rain. A running, B run, C ran, D runs. Some kids are running in the rain. Option A. Question 20. There is no dash in the picture. A tree, B rain, C sun, D grass. Look at the picture. What is not there? There is no sun in the picture. Answer is C. So for question 21 to 25, read the passage and answer the questions that follow. So let's read the passage. Misty the cat loved birds. She admired how they flapped their wings and soared high in the sky. If I jump high enough, she thought deeply and then told her friends, I bet I can fly too. The dogs barked with laughter. Cats don't fly, they said. But Misty was determined. She tied balloons to her tail, wore a superhero cape, and climbed the tallest tree in the yard. With a big leap, Misty launched herself off the branch. Sadly enough, she immediately dropped upside down, spinning wildly. The balloons got tangled in the tree, leaving Misty dangling there off the tree, meowing in the protest. Her friends rushed to rescue her, giggling the whole time. Back on solid ground, Misty shook her fur and laughed. Maybe I will just fly in my dreams, she said, snuggling into a comfy chair. All her friends nodded in agreement. From then on, Misty became the best bird watcher in town, safely on the ground. So now, understanding the passage so that you can answer the questions that follows. Okay? So let's move on to the question. Question 21. Misty the cat loved dash. A. Wings. B. Birds. C. Dreams. D. Superhero. What is the Misty? What did the cat Misty love? The first sentence in the passage says that Misty the cat loved birds. Hence, answer is option B, which says birds. Next question, question 22. Misty thought she could fly dash. A. If she had wings. B. By flapping her wings. C. By bird watching. D. If she jumped high enough. So, Misty thought she could fly if she jumped high enough. Answer D. Question 23. Choose the correct sequence of the statements according to the passage. 1. Misty dropped upside down. 2. Misty became the best bird watcher. 3. Misty admired how birds soared high in the sky. 4. Misty launched herself off the branch. 5. I will fly in my dreams. So now you have to sequence the statements correctly as per the passage and choose the options appropriately. Okay? So first thing, the Misty admired how birds soared high in the sky. Okay? So that is 3. Then Misty launched herself off the branch. 4. Then Misty dropped upside down. 1. Then Misty said, I will fly in my dreams. So 5. And then Misty became the best bird watcher. Hence, answer is A, which says 3, 4, 1, 5, 2, which is the correct sequence of statements. Okay, option A. Question 24. Choose the correct statement. A. The dogs laughed with anger. B. Misty tied balloons to her ears. C. Misty's friend rescued her after scolding her. D. The balloons got tangled in the tree. So, which is the correct statement? The correct statement is the balloons got tangled in the tree. Answer D. Question 25. Choose the word which does not mean the same as rescue. A. Defense. B. Recovery. C. Guard. And D. Risk. So which does not mean same as rescue. You have to choose the word. So which is the word? Answer is D, which says risk. The next section in the question paper is spoken and written expression. So for questions 26 to 30, choose the correct option to complete each conversation. Questions 26. Atiti, when did you come? Beena dash. A. Is it an answer? B. An hour ago. C. Keep your eyes open. D. Don't ask my questions. So which is the correct option which will complete the conversation? So Atiti asks, when did you come? So Beena says an hour ago. Correct option is option B. Okay. Question 27. Ravi, the class test lasted dash an hour. I'm feeling sleepy now. Ria, I am also very tired. A on, B for, C by, D in. You have to choose the correct option to complete the conversation. The class lasted for an hour. I'm feeling sleepy now. Answer is option B, for. Question 28. Teacher, this is a dash magazine. It comes every 2 weeks. A weekly, B monthly, C fortnightly, D daily. So which is the correct option? Weekly, monthly, fortnightly, daily. Answer is C, fortnightly, which means happening every 2 weeks. Okay, option C. Question 29. Divya, I have finished my work. Have you finished? Rati says, no, I haven't. A, your, B, yours, C, mine, D, him. So what is the correct option which will complete the conversation? I have finished my homework, or I have finished my work. Have you finished yours? Divya asks Rati, and Rati says, no, I haven't. Option B is the answer. Question 30, Zef. The dash boy in this queue is my cousin. Charu, oh, I know him. A, 3, B, third, C, that, D, 1. So which is the correct option? The third boy in the queue is my cousin. Correct option is B, which says third. So this is the achiever sections, and for question 31 and 32, choose the correct option to fill in the blank. Each questions carry 2 marks each in the achievers section. Okay, so question number 31, we should be dash and polite to our elders. A, bold, B, daring, C, bravery, D, courteous. So which is the correct option? We should be courteous and polite to our elders. So what does courteous means? Being polite or pleasant or showing respect for other people. Okay, so answer is option D. Question 32. Please call back dash when you're free. A, now, B, then, C, later, D, last. The correct option is please call later when you're free. Answer C. Question 33. Choose the option with the correct spelling. The word I suppose is announcement. So you have to choose the word with the correct spelling. Announcement. The option with the correct spelling is A, announcement. Answer is A. Question number 34. Choose the correct synonym of word fluent. A, frequent, B, stiff, C, expressive, D, hesitant. So we have to choose the correct synonym of word fluent. So what is fluent? Fluent means able to speak or write any language or any foreign language very easily and accurately. Or it can be, fluent means expressing in a smooth and accurate way. So hence here the answer is option C, expressive, which can be chosen as a synonym for the word fluent. Okay, C, expressive. Question 35, which is the last question in the question paper. Choose the correct option to complete the conversation. Raj. Reena is participating in the singing competition as she has a good dash. Sophia says, that's great. A, tunings, B, sound, C, noise, and D, voice. We have to choose the correct option to complete the conversation. So here kids, you will be confused in choosing sound and voice. So now you have to understand that all voices are sound, but all sounds are not voice. Voice will have a distinct characteristics like pitches, the tuning, the quality. Yeah. So hence the correct option to complete the conversation would be voice. Reena is participating in the singing competition as she has a good voice. Answer D. Good luck for your Olympiad preparations, and also do encourage us by sharing, liking and subscribing to our channel. Your encouragement will really motivate us to do more. Thank you.